I'm not able, Miss, I cannot get you onto this because you no longer have a reference email. But this is our Google Classroom for science fair resources. We have things like Introduction to the Science Method, Science Fair handbooks. Some of those are the things you gave me years ago. Here we have how to do a timeline, science fair projects, boards, graphs, paper. I'm also looking at competition, what do you need to have ready, International Science Fair links, the forms, which I've already updated, committee and board explanation, what those mean. When we get to regional science fair, those forms I link them here and let them know the dates, and then about state science fair. So unfortunately, I can't get you on here, but this is what they have as a resource here at school.